జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కిష్కింధాకాండ. You both are looking like such a great people who can rule this entire earth, which is filled up with all the oceans and great forests and Vindhya, Meru, such a great mountains. This entire earth can be ruled by you. You look like that. You look such a qualified people like. Who are you? Your dhanus, your bow is looking like Devendra's Vajrayudham, and your arrows Svesadbhihi iva pannagaihi, as and how a snake breathes heavily, that is how your arrows are looking. Who are you? Why are you wearing such a powerful bows and arrows? And all the swords that you are wearing, Nirmukta Vivapannagau, they are also looking like snakes. Why are you wearing those such a powerful swords? Who are you? Like this, Hanuma inquiring Rama and Lakshmana, and also he is saying that Evam Mam Paribhashantam. Only I have been speaking. Kasmadvai nabhibhashataha. You didn't speak a word so far. Why are you not responding to me? Like this, Hanuma inquiring Rama and Lakshmana. Hanuma talking to Rama, saying that I am sent by Sugriva. Sugrivo Nama Dharmatma. Sugriva is great Dharmatma. And also he is Vanarashrestha, he is master of all the monkeys. His brother Vali cheated Sugriva. That is why Sugriva is in lot of pain. I am Sugriva's minister, Tasyamam Sachivam. My name is Hanuman Nama Vanaraha. My name is Hanuma Pavanatmajam. I am the son of Vayudeva. My Sugriva wants to do friendship with you. That is why I came in this sannyasi vesham. Kamagam Kamarupinam. I can take any form that I want. And I can go anywhere that I want. Freely I can just fly. Like that, when Hanuma talked to Sri Ramachandra Swami, Rama felt so happy to hear all the words spoken by Hanuma. And with that happiness, Rama is saying to Lakshmana, Oh Lakshmana, look at that. This is Sugriva's minister Hanuma. How nicely, how sweetly he is speaking. Lakshmana, you should also speak to him very sweetly. See, we are here to search for Sugriva, but Sugriva himself came to us in the form of his minister. Oh Lakshmana, did you hear Hanuma, how nicely he spoke to us? And also Lakshmana, do you know this? Nan Rugveda Vinitasya. Those who did not master Rugveda would not be able to speak like this. Na Yajurveda Dharinaha. Those who did not master Yajurvedam Sekyamevam Prabhashitum would not be able to speak like this. Oh Lakshmana, na Samaveda Vidushaha. Those who did not master Samavedam Sekyamevam Prabhashitum would not be able to speak like this. Nunam Vyakaranam Kritsnam Anena Bahudha Srutam. Those who did not master Vyakarana Shastram would not be able to speak like this. That is why, oh Lakshmana, when Hanuma is speaking to us, Nakinchit Avashabditam, there is no even one wrong word that he used. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama 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 Dasharatha Rama He He Raja Rama हे हे राजा रामा, हे हे सीता रामा, हे हे सीता रामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimanarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimanarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana.